Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best YouTube thumbnail maker you can use online, and they are free to use because YouTube thumbnail makers can help you create astounding thumbnail images that will entice people to click your videos. Since thumbnails are intended to grab viewers' attention and compel them to click on the video, it can be very helpful to use a tool that will help you thumbnail stand out. On the number one, it is always in any list, it's Canva.com. So Canva is one of the best online graphic design tools on the market today and allows you to create incredible YouTube thumbnails for free. This tool is very useful to designers and non-designers alike who want to create professional looking visuals, like YouTube creators who want to make eye-grabbing thumbnails. Moving on to the second option, we have got the Photojet. Photojet is another great tool you can use to create spectacular thumbnails. Unlike most online programs that perform graphic design functions in general, Photojet pays special attention to YouTube thumbnail design. It also provides photo editing, graphics, designing, and college making resources. Photojet has over 500 college making templates, which makes it useful resources for creating YouTube graphics such as thumbnails. Coming to the number 3, we have got the Snappa. Just like Canva, Snappa is a jack of all trades and allows you to do more than just create YouTube thumbnails. It's one of the best graphic design tools for non-designers because of its versatility and ease of use. It offers a ton of templates for social media as well as for YouTube thumbnails. All you need is to sign up for a free account and start using some of the pre-made YouTube templates. Coming to number 4, we have got the Adobe Spark. So Adobe Spark promises an easy YouTube thumbnail creation process. This online graphic design tool resembles Canva in many ways and can also be used for multifarious functions. Unlike Canva, Adobe Spark does not change you to use the pre-made thumbnails layout. It has a special category for YouTube thumbnails, and this makes the thumbnail creation process simple and straightforward. Coming to number 5, Photar. Photar offers incredible thumbnails creation tools thanks to its advanced photo editing features. First, it provides you with eye-catching themes from all over the world that you can use to create thumbnails that will entice people to click your videos. Before wrapping out, I would suggest you to, when you are making a YouTube thumbnail, make sure to put the text as large as clear as possible and make the words smaller. Don't put a lot of words or big sentences. Keep 1 to 2 words in the picture and make it clearer, bigger, and the image should look bigger, attractive, and that way you can make more attractive YouTube thumbnails. So if you think we have made this video worth it and which photo editor you are going to use or have experience that is really good for editing YouTube thumbnail, please leave a comment below in the comment section, and we'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.